It's about 20 feet at the bottom, and that's about it. But yeah, this is crazy.
When did this start?
Yesterday.
And it just, did it like explode to this, or did it just gradually?
Exploded, as far as I know.
This whole line of homes have been evacuated because the river is rising so fast and has become a raging torrent. Folks who live here say this river is very tranquil, usually very quiet, very calm. But as you can see, it is raining heavily, and what that has done, that has caused a rapid snow melt. We are right at the base of the mountains. Just to our east is Sequoia National Park.
Canoe Drive's getting wiped out right now. Yeah, for sure. I had a friend that lives down there, Jeremy, and it's bad. But
how many homes do you think are at risk?
Probably 50. Yeah, definitely the riverside. The riverside is compromised.
And it's hard to imagine. A few months ago, we were dealing with drought and water shortages and farmers fallowing fields, and then this.
Yeah, it's definitely crazy.